how to change Bluetooth AVRCP variant on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search Bluetooth AVRCP version. You will see Bluetooth AVRCP version is here. Click on Bluetooth AVRCP version. So if you want to change, so 1.5 default, 1.3, 1.4, 1.6. After change Bluetooth AVRCP version, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change Bluetooth AVRCP version on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.